Larson Electronics IND VMS AB481L UVCWR12VDC10C is a UV sanitation light which can disinfect and kill 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spore inside vehicles, rental fleets, and more. This unit offers UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and comes equipped with a 36-watt UV fluorescent lamp. This UV system has 10 feet of SOOW cord, adjustable nylon straps, and a cigarette plug for connecting inside vehicles. This light is a powerful sanitation solution for vehicles, fleets, and car dealerships. The light emits a flood beam pattern and has an expected lifespan of over 9,000 hours. Compatible with 12 volts DC, this UV system caters to the interior of vehicles with 180 degrees of coverage. A wireless remote control allows operators to activate and deactivate the lamp outside of the vehicle after temporary installation. The slim profile lamp measures 50 inches wide. This unit is made out of 22 gauge steel with a high reflectance baked white enamel finish. With the recommended 5 to 10 minute exposure time for viruses, multiple lights can be purchased to sanitize several vehicles simultaneously. Operators may move the UV light around after exposure time to disinfect different sections of the vehicle. The heavy-duty adjustable nylon straps can be used to secure the lamp inside the vehicle. These units can be used with all room lights on or off. Any lights present in the room are fine. The carts can even be used in sunlight. Frequently asked questions. How long does the fixture need to operate to kill viruses? A 30-minute exposure time is required for killing viruses. What if I want to disinfect a larger area than the square footage that is listed in the specifications of this product? You can move the product and cover other areas. Each time the unit is moved, the exposure time starts again. What if obstacles are in the way of the UV light while it's disinfecting? You will need to move objects around and disinfect again for another 30 minutes. If the cart does not have a direct line of sight, it will not disinfect. This is a non-ozone UV generating product, so it does not penetrate through solid surfaces and will not reflect and clean the underside of objects or behind objects. If you do not have a direct line of sight from the light, you will need to move it around or move the obstacles to create proper exposure. Do I need to wear protective gear? Yes, UV radiation is not safe for your eyes or skin. Is this product skin safe or eye safe? No. UV radiation is not safe for the eyes or skin. Please read the manual for UV safety requirements. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have two benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.